Okay, now let's see if this works because I tried to clear my storage out and it was still saying no storage. So, we are doing another Peeps video. We're trying Peeps flavors and we're testing Peeps products.
Yes.
This is not sponsored, by the way. We bought all of this with our own money. Now, we've already tried some. We tried the River Float ones. We observed that if you smell them really hard...
If you want us to see us eat it, it's on mine.
Yeah, there are undertones of garbage.
Undertones of garbage.
On this one.
Yes.
But it's not terrible.
No.
This was the chocolatey caramel delight.
Yes.
It is delicious.
Oh,
it
yes.
has like a coffee taste, kind of. It sort of tastes like coffee.
My ears are this.
Okay, so now we're just going to try these. These are the vanilla creme Peeps Delights.
Are you sure it's not cream? You screw that.
It's creme.
I got
You know it's
creme.
creme.
You got creme all over my
Oh my gosh, that smells amazing.
laptop.
Okay, it smells like vanilla chapstick.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, I like it.
A little plain.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the kick.
Yeah, okay.
These are good.
It takes a minute, but it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna set her aside.
Okay.
Do we want to try party cake,
You
watermelon, or blue raspberry next?
Let's do the sour watermelon.
Alright.
You know, we never think about bringing an extra dish up here to put our leftover.
No, we don't.
Well, this is our second year, so next year we'll know.
Third year. Third. We did it year before. Oh my
Did we?
gosh, yeah. We just had like a few. Ooh, that smells amazing. We just had a few though. Look, it's pink on the inside. Okay, that smells really good. Ooh, that's really good. I like that. Yeah, that's good.
Really, really good.
It tastes like watermelon Fun Dip.
I just chewed on his eye.
Okay, that's really good. Okay, we're gonna try these next, the sugar-free Peeps. Oh, let's do a separate video for the Peeps products.
Yeah, let's do that.
So this is just gonna be like tasting Peeps. The next one will be Peeps products.
Yep.
Also, if you want to see commentary of me complaining about my phone, watch her video, because there's a lot. Alright, so these are sugar-free. It says they're vanilla creme flavored, so I wonder if they're going to taste like...
I already don't like the texture.
No, they're
It's
really
tough.
Okay, ready?
Tastes like fake Peeps.
It tastes like a very, very, very stale Peep.
Yes.
I don't recommend that.
No.
That's not very good at all.
Unless you're diabetic, go for it.
Yeah.
guess.
But...
Actually, when you're diabetic, eat fruits and vegetables.
yeah, this is not good. I don't like that. Party cake?
Party cake.
Okay, so we did try... The ones we tried last year were called birthday cake, and they were blue.
Yeah.
So we got party cake because we thought maybe they're different.
We'll see.
Every year it's a struggle to open... Oop. Every year I struggle to open Peeps, and I'm just like... Okay, they smell different? They kind of just smell like cake batter.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, well, we'll see. They smell like cake batter. Ooh!
That's really good.
Yeah. Okay, so these are definitely different than the blue birthday cake ones.
I'm getting Peep powder all over you.
Yeah, I know. It's just gonna... And all over you, too.
Alright.
Are we tasting these in this video? Or is it
Yeah,
Peep
let's
products?
do all Peep eating stuff for here.
Okay, the last, like, Peeps we have... You can see the Peep in my cheek. Classy. The last Peeps we have is blue raspberry. Wow.
I'm impressed. You did this whole video with no scissors.
That smells amazing.
Ooh,
that is
strong.
potent. Okay, ready? Woo! Goodness, that is strong.
Yeah.
These are not marketed as sour, but whoo!
Super smooth, I will say that.
Oh yeah, wow. Do they melt in your car though?
Probably.
Okay, these are really good too. My teeth look blue. I don't know if they are blue.
It's probably the reflection of my light on my phone.
Oh.
I'm kidding.
Okay, now
We got
Peeps jelly beans.
all three. Oh, there we go. I label it to the right side.
Alright, so I'm opening the straw. Oh, are you doing the lemons one?
It
Oh,
don't
that was
matter.
easy to open.
I'm just.
Oh, what the heck?
Well, we gotta seal it somehow.
Yeah, I thought I had it. Okay, wow. We are already struggling. Ow, the struggle is real. Alright, I got the strawberry ones open.
Okay.
Wait, let's just do that whole video with that. Ouch. Okay. So I'm gonna try a pink one and a white one.
Yep.
Typical strawberry.
Yeah. I don't see where the peeps come in. Oh, baby.
Hmm.
I don't know.
Now this one I guess is marshmallow flavor.
Mm-hmm. That what makes it peeps.
There we go. That tastes like a. That does taste like a peep. All right, now we have marshmallow and.
I dropped my thing.
Now we have marshmallow and lemon. Okay, that hurts. Ow.
Yeah, it does.
Now we have marshmallow and lemon.
I'm ready.
All right. So the yellow, the jelly beans that have color are just typical fruit flavors. They're good. They're really good.
Kind of sour.
A little. And then this is just, the white one is marshmallow. And we all got the blueberry one to taste. Okay.
Blue balls.
I'm still finding those, by the way. Those little candy sixlets thingies. Yeah. They're good.
Yeah.
The blue ones kind of taste a little soapy. Like they taste like fancy soap, but that's okay. And now we have this.
Hold on. I'm still filled with jelly beans in my mouth.
Alright, ready?
We gonna bite this together or split it apart?
I guess bite it, ready?
Uh-huh.
No, it's too close. I can't get that close to people. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, it's yellow. Okay, that's my half. Pretty good. But the marshmallow texture is kind of like the sugar-free texture.
You know what this reminds me of? Not as the taste per se, but just as a reverse delight.
Yeah.
Just, it's usually on the outside, not the...
Okay, so the chocolate and that was really good. So I think our favorites from this video are these. Also the sour watermelon ones.
Yeah, those were good too.
Also these are pretty good. Oh. Oh my gosh, we almost forgot. We got Peep cereal as well. But anyway, our favorite were the Two Delights and then the sour watermelon. Least favorite was the sugar-free Peeps. It was just the texture, I think, and it just sort of tastes like a really stale Peep.
Hey, we can play Candyland on the back of that.
Yeah, we can. Alright, so Peep cereal time.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Are you sure? Kind of tastes like the,
Oh my god.
is there a treat?
No, there's marshmallows in it.
What?
Yeah, there's marshmallows in it. It literally shows on the box that there's marshmallows on it. We're just in it. We're just now like, ah!
I was like, is there a prize in there too?
I wish. Okay, so, yeah, pretty successful video.
I'm gonna eat all these now.
So that is our Peeps taste test. We're going to be testing Peeps products next. So, bye!